It is generally believed that whenever there is a monopoly, there is no user experience. A lot of us have the experience of dealing with poorly designed apps from the monopolistic companies, governments, or organizations. And such frustration is shared by those who use corporates' internal application. Like an OA system, supply chain management system, or accounting apps, why do companies suck at creating intranet software for their employees? It can be explained by insufficient feedback and design flaws. User feedback is critical for optimizing an app's user experience, but corporate users rarely provide feedback either because the internal application is not developed in-house or because the IT department does not have sufficient time or resources to update the software constantly. Many companies settle for a minimum viable product because the management does not care about how employees feel about their internal systems, as long as there isn't a loss. The lack of incentive for optimization is the primary reason behind the unideal user experience. Technically speaking, some internal applications do not have clear hierarchy, consistent design language. Such minor issues affect the entire software experience and makes it difficult to navigate. Corporates must realize that the path to digitization is not simply moving current workflow online. Failure to create a seamless, practical user experience for employees can significantly reduce the efficiency of operation. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.